Specimen question paper issued by UPSC. With answer. Civil Services. Main. Examination essay. Essay. एक section. A. Life is the long journey between being human and becoming human. Role. Human birth is a biological event, but becoming human is a moral, social, and spiritual process. Being human simply implies the existence of body, intellect, and consciousness, while being human is associated with compassion, empathy, conscience, morality, and social responsibility. Life is this journey where a person transcends their innate selfishness, tendencies, and limitations and embraces human values. This journey is not simple, but is filled with struggles, experiences, and introspection. The meaning of being human. To be human is to be a biological being capable of thinking, speaking, and making decisions. However, mere intelligence does not guarantee humanity. History bears witness that even highly intelligent people can be cruel, inhuman, and selfish. Rights are central to being human, while duties are central to being human. The process of becoming human. Becoming human is the process of removing oneself from the center and connecting with society, nature, and the entire creation. Sensitivity, understanding the suffering of others. Compassion, feeling of help upon seeing suffering. Justice, right decision, rising above bias. Sacrifice, restraint on selfishness. Coexistence, harmony in diversity. A journey through struggles. There are many occasions in life where one has to choose between man and man. For example, profiting from corruption versus honesty. Personal convenience versus social responsibility. Revenge versus forgiveness. The Mahabharat War, Gautam Buddha's sacrifice, Mahatma Gandhi's Satyagraha. All these are symbols of the journey of becoming human. The crisis of modern society and humanity. Today, technological progress is unprecedented, but humanity is in crisis. Materialism, consumerism, and competition have weakened empathy. Social media has increased communication but diminished empathy. In such times, the journey to becoming human has become even more challenging. The role of education and culture. Education should not only be a means to employment, but a means to build character. Value-based education, family, and society together play a vital role in shaping a person's humanity. Conclusion. Being human is destiny. Becoming human is an achievement. The meaning of life lies in this journey. Only when a person rises above self-interest and begins to think for the welfare of others does he truly become human. This is life's highest achievement. ऐसे दो, thoughtful resolution is the catalyst for self-peace. Role, competition, and uncertainty of modern life have pushed humans toward mental unrest. Stress, anxiety, and depression have become commonplace. In such an environment, if anything can provide inner peace, it is thoughtful resolve. This resolve disciplines the mind and brings balance to life. Meaning of deliberative resolution. Deliberative resolve refers to a thoughtful mental decision that prevents a person from being overwhelmed by circumstances. It is neither emotional impulse nor blind stubbornness. Rather, it is prudent self-control. Due to mental disturbance, uncontrolled desires, uncertainty of the future, tendency to compare, fear of failure, the relationship between determination and mental peace. When a person clarifies his or her life's purpose, boundaries, and priorities, external circumstances have less of an impact on him or her. Example, Mahatma Gandhi's pledge for truth, Buddha's middle way, Swami Vivekananda's self-confidence. Relevance in modern life. Today, mindfulness, yoga, and meditation are modern forms of this thoughtful resolve. From the corporate world to educational institutions, mental balance is being emphasized. Personal and social benefits, improved decision-making ability, emotional stability, better human relations, tolerance in society. Conclusion. Thoughtful resolve is the lamp that dispels mental darkness. It prevents a person from becoming a slave to circumstances and leads them towards self-control and peace. A peaceful mind is the foundation of a constructive society. Essay 3. Ships sink not because of the water around them, but because of the water that enters them. Role. This statement is a profound metaphor for life. It's not external challenges that break a person, but the negative elements we allow within ourselves that cause their downfall. Meaning of metaphor. Water problems. Ship person institution nation. Water intruded fear, greed, corruption, ego. Applications in personal life. Falling from self-doubt, not criticism. Not from failure, but from disappointment. Institutional and national context. Companies fall not because of competition, but because of internal corruption. Are weakened not by external aggression, but by internal disintegration. Examples from history. The fall of the Roman Empire. Dissolution of the Soviet Union. Message for modern India. Casteism, corruption, intolerance. If they find a place within, progress will be hindered. Conclusion. External challenges are opportunities for growth, but internal weaknesses lead to destruction. Self-examination and moral fortitude are the only safeguards in life. SHR. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Role. Today's age is one of complexity. Technology, lifestyle, and relationships, everything is becoming increasingly complicated. In such a situation, simplicity is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Meaning of simplicity. Simplicity means distinction between the necessary and the unnecessary, contentment with less, and freedom from ostentation. Philosophical view. Gandhiji's simplicity. Buddha's middle way. Aparigraha of the Upanishads. Modern context. Minimalism. Sustainable lifestyle. Work-life balance. The benefits of simplicity. Mental peace. Environmental protection. Social equality. Conclusion. The simpler life, the more refined it becomes. True progress lies not in external glitz, but in inner balance. Simplicity is the supreme art of life. Section B. 1. Culture is what we are. Civilization is what we have. Culture is what we are. Civilization is what we have. Role are defined not only by their material resources, but also by their thoughts, values, beliefs, and behavior. In this context, the statement that culture is what we are and civilization is what we have. Culture is the soul, while civilization is its outer covering. The two are interconnected, but not identical. Meaning of culture. Culture of a society lifestyle, values, morality, traditions, language, art, religion, and thought system. It is passed down from generation to generation. Vasudhaiva family, non-violence, tolerance and coordination, such values are its identity. Meaning of civilization. Civilization symbolize material progress, cities, roads, machines, technology, governance systems, economic structures, etc. It can be measured, changed, and developed rapidly. The relationship between culture and civilization. Civilization is empty without culture, while culture is deprived of expression without civilization. For example, modern technology, civilization, can become an instrument of destruction if it is devoid of human values, culture. Contemporary context. Today, in the era of globalization, material progress is rapid, but moral values are also being eroded. Consumerism, environmental exploitation, and social isolation are examples of this. Indian perspective. India has always prioritized culture over civilization. Yoga, Ayurveda, and the spirit of coexistence are still relevant today. Digital India such programs are meaningful only if they strengthen human dignity. Conclusion. Civilization provides us with convenience, while culture provides us with direction. A balance between the two is the true progress of humanity. Therefore, it is essential to maintain cultural consciousness alongside modernity. 2. Social justice is not possible without economic prosperity, but economic prosperity is meaningless without social justice. Role. Social justice and economic prosperity are the two pillars of any nation's progress. This statement was made by him mutually complementary, clarifies the relationship. The role of economic prosperity. Economic growth increases resources, making possible investment in education, health, employment, and infrastructure. Without an economic base, welfare policies remain mere ideals. Importance of social justice. If the benefits of development are limited to certain sections, inequality increases. Social justice ensures equal opportunities, dignity, and rights. Situation in India. India has linked social justice to the economic structure through schemes such as Manrega, social security pensions, reservation policy. Interdependence. Economic growth is unstable without social inclusion, while social justice is ineffective without economic resources. Global examples. The Nordic countries have achieved this balance by adopting an inclusive development model. Conclusion. True progress is that which the fruits of development must reach the last person. Therefore, social justice and economic prosperity cannot be seen as separate entities. 3. Patriarchy is the least visible but most effective structure of social inequality. Role. Patriarchy is not a subject limited to women only, but is a force that influences the entire social structure. The nature of patriarchy. It is an invisible system deeply rooted in family, education, division of labor, politics, and culture. Why is it less viewed? Because it has become normalized in the name of tradition, in household decisions, inheritance, language, and symbols. Effect. Gender pay gap, devaluation of care work, lack of representation are direct consequences of this. Indian context. Although there is constitutional equality, discrimination still exists in practice. Save the Girl Child, Educate the Girl Child campaigns like these are the answer to this challenge. Solution. Education, sensitive laws, male participation, and cultural change are necessary. Conclusion. Unless the invisible roots of patriarchy are recognized, social equality will remain incomplete. 4. Technology as a silent factor in international relations. Technology as the silent factor in international relations. Role. International relations today are not limited to diplomacy or military power. Technology is also silent, but decisive. It has become a factor. Technology and the balance of power. Cyber capabilities, space technology, AI and data power are the new power indicators. Geopolitical impact. 5G, semiconductors, and quantum computing is creating a new Cold War-like situation. Security and war. Cyber warfare, drones and autonomous weapons have changed the nature of warfare. India's position. Digital public infrastructure, space missions and startup ecosystems strengthen India's technology diplomacy. Ethical and legal questions. Data privacy, digital inequality, and technological colonialism are new challenges. Conclusion. Technology is no longer the backdrop of policymaking, but its very center. Nations that understand this and adopt balanced policies will be the ones that will prevail on the global stage. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you soon. UPSC Government. Jobs badge starting soon. Online live classes, unlimited access for limited period. Hindi English medium. Updated study material. Affordable fees. Regular counseling and discussion. Join now, limited seats. Contact +917668008186 9410483500.